Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. You can see this is an ancient OS version 7.0 Texas cake. This is, and build type is steel. Android version is obviously Android 13. You can see here. The security patch is 5th February 2023, latest security patch. Kernel user is a little bit different, Deluxe Kernel 4.14.302, and it's a March 5th build. You can see the build date. Enforcing status is sailing status is enforcing, and I have been running the CPU throttling test. You can see the maximum score is around 190 and average is 179 and minimum is 150, and it's throttled to 84% of its max performance, and it was running around 10 minutes 20 seconds and 6 milliseconds. This is a 100 thread test for Poco X in this ancient OS, which is very good in my opinion. Let me increase a little bit of volume here, and you can see the volume panel. You can customize them also. You can change to silent and vibration mode. Here you get a typical home screen. Here if you press and hold here, you get home settings. This is the launcher you get here, and some of the customizations you can do from here. And if I again press and hold here, you get widgets as I already having that, and wallpapers and style. Again here you can see there is only feathers wallpaper has been included here. Other than that, nothing has been included. Let's do one thing, install this cream color one, allow home and lock screens. Okay, setting wallpaper. It takes a little bit of time. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel and also allow that bell notification, and if you like the video, give it like. And this is how the typical home screen. It was very tiny. I improved just 1%, and you can see the battery percentage will be showing in the quick settings panel too. There is a lot more customization regarding that. I will explain within a while. And this is the quick settings toggles you get. And where is the edit section? It's moved down here. As you can see, it's a little bit difficult to access that, hence they made tiny here. You get all the basic toggles here. If you want, you can drag them and add. As you can see, the pill bar and the edit section will make a little bit disturbance here, and settings the access is also given here, and the power up button you can go here. Advanced restart button is also available. Now moving to dialer here. No thanks, I don't want suggestions. Okay, you can see there is a direct video call feature is missing here. Oh no, settings. No, direct video call feature is missing. Anyhow, let's try the call recording feature, whether it has. Yes, it is having call recording feature, but direct video call feature should have been given in my opinion. What you guys say, let me know in the comment section. Again, internet connectivity wise, it's very good, no problem. I haven't faced any issues. 4G plus carrier aggregation support is also available. Now moving into app settings, first with Geekbench scores. You can also judge the app opening time here. You can see the single score performance is 560, multi score is 1545, Android 13 links 4.14.302 Deluxe Kernel, which is not good, and Android benchmark is also not a good score here, but customization level is next level. Within a while I'll be explaining that. 354312 is the score here. 1.1 degrees Celsius is the temperature is, and battery drop is 3% during this entire testing of Android benchmark in Poco X after this ancient OS. And camera application, here I am using latest one, AGC camera. This is trending right now, and first you open the camera, you get option here like a integration in the Gcam. It's very unique feature, and even watermark feature is also given, and even some of the configs have been pre-implemented in this the camera application. This is very good. Gcam quick settings, you can go from here. As you can see, there are a lot more customization in this camera. I have found for you. It will be not pre-installed with this ROM. I will separately give the link for this in the Telegram channel. Follow me in the Telegram. There I will be posting all the updates regarding firmwares, and all the download links will be given in my Telegram channel. Go and have it out. I will be giving in every video the link of my Telegram channel. Go and update there. Go and have a look there. You will get the updates regarding any ROM, and these kind of applications will be given there. And in order to load the configs, you need to go to more settings here, and if I go into configs, again import here, you need to press this and go to download and Telegram AGC 8.4 stable. Okay, now the whatever the config has been implemented here, but if you don't have any config, no need to worry. You can get here configs, as you can see, KA config 1, config 2. If you press any config, it restarts the application and your camera will be working fine. Only drawback of this camera application, I don't know whether it is there or not, the front camera is not available here. Yeah, it's available. Yeah, finally it's available. Okay, that's fine. In some of the smartphones like K50 I was not getting the front camera. Here there is an option. Don't forget to use this toggle in order to move into front camera. Now again, modes you get just panorama and photosphere, and video again you get options. Let me show you settings. As you can see, up to 4K 60 FPS is supported here, which is good thing in my opinion. Even in the camera, if I go into settings again, you get all these options. And portrait mode, if I go again into settings, tap to focus is available here. You can schedule the time. In the mode settings, if we go, there is a watermark option. Again, watermark type you can select Leica or film time watermark, whatever you want you can choose from here. And watermark logo, it is by default AGC 8.7, but you can keep anything. Like if you want to show Realme as a device and Poco or Samsung, Oppo, whatever you want, Leica, you can do that. And custom watermark option is also available. You can choose whatever you want here. And lost exit information, if you want, you can enable that. Now libraries, again lib patches, you can do that from here. Other than that, I don't see any major changes here. Advanced, again these are all the controls, you can do that out. 48 megapixel, we don't have 48, we have 64. Don't change everything. Whatever I explained, you can change them. If you have idea, then you can do other things also. Lens settings and other things you can do from here. Telephoto we don't have. Instead of that, we can add here the ultra wide angle camera, which will be working fine. Let me show you. As you can see, okay, 1.9x you can see here. Now it turned into ultra wide angle camera, which is very good. This camera application should be definitely used. This is the application. Let me show you about device info. Okay, version 9.4, the AGC camera it is. Definitely you should try this camera. I will be giving in the Telegram section. Definitely check out this camera. That's the current camera, the AGC camera trending. And in the options, you get even pause the application and you can open these settings, and there is even an option to hide the icon. Okay, yeah, you can hide it and you can force stop. Those options are present, but you can hide this app from here. In this particular ROM, the option is available, and you can see last update when it was, and version of the, and icon pack also you can change if you have multiple icon packs installed in your ROM. Now moving into some other settings like game space, you get it done. FM radio, you will be getting that. I really like the camera. You should definitely try it out, guys. Watch my, go to my Telegram channel and download there. This is my Telegram channel. You can see I will be giving the link here. You can download that and use this camera. Then you can comment down below. And DRM information, again here, level 1 certification, no need to worry. You can watch all the audit application in high definition resolution. Safety net status, let's see. It might get passed. Yes, because I haven't done any root, because to test this camera, however we are not getting this MIUI Leica camera, but in this Gcam port we are getting Leica integration, which is very good for lot more people. I think so. Let's see how you guys utilize that camera. And if I go into settings here, the smoothness in the UI is present, but it is not as smooth as whatever the previous pixel type ROMs were having. That smoothness is simply missing here. Hope with the upcoming build they will improve that. And craft with heart, here they really crafted with heart. There are a lot more customization. First start with add-on. If you want an ancient UI switch, then you can enable from here. UI clock style you can choose from here. There are a lot more customization available. It will make huge difference when you toggle them and header image also you can customize here. If you turn on these options, then you get lot more options: image visibility, image animation, color filter, custom color filter, lot more customization available. Header image also you can customize from here. And full width notification, if you want notification to be width, the width of the notification should be in full, then you can enable from here. Status bar padding, as you can see, left side padding you can see on the screen above, and even right padding you can do from that, which is good in my opinion. And status bar style, I kept iOS, KW super. There are 3, but simply they will make huge difference. And status bar height style also you can select from here. Let me go into default. Okay, now let me come back here, and status bar again you get a lot more customization. If you enable this lyric, you'll get lyrics once you play any music in your music player. Items tuner, again this you can enable or disable from here. Other status bar logo icon settings you can get here. Roaming indicator, 4G 5G icon, we don't have the 5G connectivity in Poco X3/NFC. And clock position, these things will be present. Clock background also, if you enable this, again you get lot more customization, padding and right and left adjustment, stroke, custom gradient color, and mic. Miscellaneous battery settings also given here. Battery percentage and battery status style you can see, lot more are available. You can choose whatever you want. I kept this one, you guys can see here. That's the change. You definitely enjoy the customization in this ancient OS. And let me come back here. Now again themes here, dark theme. See, as I said, there is a little bit of lag in the way, and there is a pure black system here. Once I enable into the dark theme, it will be in pitch black condition, which I really like it. There is a little bit of lag in the UI once you enable the dark mode, or once you change any toggles, then it will be a little bit changes. Okay, now turned off. Now dual tone makes the settings background rounded. And settings base, again you can customize here. Scrim color you can customize, left opacity, right opacity. Phone style, again you can keep it to Oxygen OS. And settings, homepage, theme, you can see here there are a lot more customization available here too. Settings, dashboard shape, if you want you can use that. And tint you can adjust. Again circle icons, if you want icons to be in circular, then you can make it out. Blur background, this is a lot more customization you can see. Theming settings, again a separate customization available here. You can adjust the luminance, chroma and tint from here. If I come back and show you quick settings, again you can see on the battery bar other options like gradient curve, 1 2 3 picker. You can see just how customizable this ROM is. If you know how to change this, if you want to, if you don't know anything also, if you play around this, you will be coming to know what all the changes happening in your UI customization. The buttons, again here keyboard cursor control, you can customize them. Media controller, swap, capacitive buttons, volume rocker, click to partial screenshot. Seek bar style also, there are lot more options has been given. You can definitely try this out. Volume percentage also you can see from here, which is very good in my opinion. And power menu, again advanced restart button has been enabled here. Gestures, again you can see there is little bit of problem in the UI while you are changing something. One-handed mode, these things are fine. System navigation, again gesture navigation. There is option to pill height, I really like this kind of options. Pill margin bottom, pill width I can increase, really good. These options are really good. Instead of giving pill radius and thickness options, this is really, I liked it. They should implement this kind of customization in any other ROMs, but that will make the differentiating factor for this particular ROM. But here and there will be a little bit of frame drops, I can say. There will be like sometime, as I shown before, you can check out, there will be some frame drops will be happening when you change some of the settings, but other than that I haven't noticed any options here. And haptic feedback, you can see you can enable or disable. Touchscreen gestures, again you can enable or disable from here. Navigation bar, I already shown this. Yeah, style, you get plenty here. As you can see, this is a very good customizable ROM with 113. I am speaking the 113 ROMs now. And animations, again I kept 3D once you use the power button. it will be displayed in 3D. If you want, you can change them. Animation duration also you can choose it out. That's fine. Again, battery, as I said before, block sensor, wake, clock blocker, smart pixels, these things have been included here. If you want battery bar when charging, then you can enable here. Battery light options are also given here, which is quite a good customizable ROM. This is miscellaneous settings. Again, game space has been given here. Unlock high FPS in games like PUBG Mobile and all. Unlimited photo storage is also available. Other things you can see on the screen. These are the customizations available. Now moving into actual settings here, battery, you can see the battery usage. It's a very good battery efficient ROM also. What I have noticed from past couple of hours using this ROM, the battery efficiency is also very good in this particular ROM. And you get smart charging options if you enable that. If you want to slow charge your smartphone using that 33-watt charging, that will be possible here. And you can see 33-watt charging support is also available in this particular ROM. No need to worry regarding that. Battery optimization support is also given. Battery manager, it's quite interesting. Battery saver, extreme battery saver is not given, but you can schedule it out based on percentage and routine life. It's a very good options has been included here. And moving into like other settings like display, here I kept to minimum maximum to 120, low power refresh rate keep it to 120. Tap to wake and tap to wake and sleep are working fine. And display colors, again here also they kept the customization options. I really liked it. If you want to increase saturation value, contrast and color profiles, you can see there are a lot more customization available. I think this is the king of customization ROM for Poco X3, especially Android 13 based ROM. Even with Android 12 and 11, I haven't seen this kind of customization. I hope this credit goes to the developer who has done this ROM. The only thing is here accessibility menu is missing here. Button and gesture, use button or gesture. Okay, that's present in different manner. That's fine. And if I go back here into sound settings, and again you can check out sound enhancer has been given. You can choose the preset and headphone type, and even smart scene and hi-fi audio system has been enabled in this particular ROM. Security, again you get face and fingerprint unlock, and app lock options is also given. It's encrypted ROM. And let me show you the fingerprint unlock first and then face unlock. As you can see, it's very quick to unlock your smartphone using the fingerprint unlock. And this is face unlock. Is it recognizing my face or not? I have registered it. Okay, it's fine. It's taking some seconds to unlock using face unlock, but fingerprint unlock is quite a fast here. Now moving into settings, again nothing I left. I hope so. I covered everything. It's a little bit lengthy, but I have included this AGC camera. You should definitely try that. And if you want a lot more customization from any custom ROM for Android 13 for Poco X3, especially we're looking for that kind of ROMs, then this is the ROM. You can go ahead and flash this out. Only here and there you get a little bit of jitters. Apart from that too, when you change some settings, then only you will get that kind of jitters. Apart from that, I haven't seen any problems here. All the toggles are also working fine. Those all the things are working fine. Let's see PUBG Mobile also. I don't want to skip any of things in this particular ROM. Let's see how it handles and what all the graphic settings we get. Okay, you can see the graphic settings is set to smooth plus 90 fps, which I already shown you. In the settings you need to enable that. And volume panel also you can customize, but currently it's on default. You can see how it looks, and it was around 60 to 70%. If you want to see the percentage of that, you can enable that also in the volume panel. The gameplay is also fine. This is one of the best ROMs available, but after a long back they are giving the update. Ancient OS, I don't know when was the previous update was them made. Okay, let you also reload. Oh no, you killed me. This is not good. I waited for him to reload, but he did not wait for me. The gaming experience is also very smooth here. Excellent gameplay you can expect from this ROM. If you're a hardcore gamer, I definitely recommend this ROM. Yesterday I made a live sessions. If I was late for live session, I would have gave this option as a gaming ROM. Okay, the graphics is like this, and the customized buttons, you can change them sensitivity. Here this plays very important role, customize and select your sensitivity. And even pickup also, don't enable these pistols and all, like scopes, so sometimes it will irritate you while gaming. That you need to keep in mind, guys. That will make the experience even better. And even the gyroscope, and if you use 3 to 4 fingers, then it will be even better. But if I set all those things, it will become late, the video will become late for you. Hence I'm just showing the gameplay with the default settings here. Those things will matter to get a very good gameplay from you, and you should be also a very good gamer, then only you can get very good gaming. Okay, I will come back here, and what I can say about this ROM is a all-round ROM. This is a great ROM available for Poco X. As you can see, the smoothness here is fine. The smoothness in the UI is also fine. Only once you go into craft with thought, and if you change any of the settings to, like for example, one UI, then the problems comes for a second, but after that it will be fine. And this the camera, whatever the version I said, this camera and this implementation, overall if you use this camera, and if you play this kind of games, and if you want a customization like this, if you want to implement the percentage and everything like this, then you can go and flash this ROM. If you miss this ROM, you will be missing a lot more. Hence definitely once in entire Poco XC you should flash this ROM. That kind of customization is available here, and smoothness in the UI is fine, as you can see in the recent apps. That's it. I hope I explained everything in this ROM in detailed review from my side. It's all up to you guys, and subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a like. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.